Enable Dyntopo with constant detail and increase the value. Choose the snake hook brush, press E and choose curve. Hold Ctrl, right mouse click and drag to draw the curve. Repeat to create a longer curve. Hold Ctrl and left click to create the tentacle. You can reuse the curve by rotating the view. Adjust the curve handles as needed. Or press A and X to delete it and then draw a new curve. The inflate brush and the smooth brush are useful for fine-tuning the tentacles. With the mask brush, you can draw some suction cups. Invert the mask and use the inflate mesh filter to extrude them. Draw the mask, then use the inflate filter in the negative direction. Set the mesh filter to smooth things out.